Hi everyone, I'm doing this tutorial to explain how to use a Sony Alpha camera in OBS without using an HDMI grabber. The quality is very lower, getting to be the half of the high definition mode. You can save a lot of money and use your camera, especially if it's to be used at low resolutions and not in full screen. This is a tutorial using Windows OS. For this, we will need to have a Sony camera compatible with the PlayMemories app. I just tested with the A6000, but should work with all of them. A wireless adapter, either internal or external. In software, we will use Google Chrome browser to run some calls from the Sony API and Media Player Classic to run the camera video. Open OBS, Google Chrome and Media Player Classic. The first step is install a Google Chrome extension called Restlet client and register the following commands that are here. Open the notepad and paste the following. Save the file as sonyconnect.m3u. Alternatively, you can download it in the description. After that, open the Smart Remote Control on the camera . Connect your PC to your camera Wi-Fi direct connection. You can use the bin icon to show the password. Execute one by one of the commands following the order. Open the file in Media Player Classic . And voila! It's broadcasting to the PC. Put it in full screen and give it Alt Tab to keep the transmission and switch to OBS. Now in the OBS, create a window capture. Enjoy!